鸡了！
小鸡们，你们可要小心啦！
我们是小鸡，不好惹，喜欢自由的生活。谁要是欺负我们的朋友，
谁？
哼，看谁敢！
我们就告诉他，我们是小鸡，小鸡不好惹。
哇哦，小鸡们好厉害呀！快快快，演出开始啦！快点快点！
Huh. I'm not afraid of those weasels. We can handle them even by hand-to-hand combat, right, Gene?
Hey now, calm down, free range. They've got harpoons. How could we possibly hand-to-hand combat them?
Waddle's free range. Let's hide under that rock. It'll be safer there.
Cool.
Hey, Slim, where'd the chickens go? We saw them coming this way, didn't we?
Yeah, they must be hiding around here. Glutton, you go find them that way, and I'll go this way.
Right.
Huh?
Hey, small fry, they spotted us, didn't they?
Good. Then we'll finish those guys for once and for all.
No, they've swum away, but they may be back in no time. Let's get out of here. We'll hide over there.
Huh? What's that beautiful thing off in the distance? Hey!
Huh?
Huh? Hey, Slim, the chickens are over here!
No, hide in the corral.
Don't run! Oh no, my foot's stuck too!
Hey, where's the chickens?
You gotta give me a hand here, Slim. I'm stuck in this thing.
Oh, you're such a moron. Now, go and get them.
Huh?
Whoa, that's a massively deep ditch.
I'm betting that this is the Deep Ocean Canyon.
Deep Ocean Canyon? Like, what's that, man?
Oh, I bet you there's sea monsters in there. Terrible, scary monsters. I saw it on a TV program before. They're horrible. Really, really, really scary. Oh.
Wow, delicious seaweed.
Huh? Oh, I knew it. His monster. He's got me. Oh, help me, Free Range. Help me. He's gonna eat me. Oh.
Whoa, Master. Do you mean like the little fish on your tail?
Oh, don't be ridiculous, Uncle Waddles.
Huh? Of course it wasn't. I was just kidding, of course. I was just trying to liven things up. You know, the sea can be a very boring place.
We'll see what happens when we really encounter one.
Well, let's just get out of here just in case.
Huh? Look over there. What's that?
Huh? Huh?
What's that, man? Smoke fry like it's shimmering.
It's probably a baby monster. Let's get out of here before the mommy monster shows up.
Huh? Hang on, I got it.
Huh?
It's an anglerfish. It's bent thick and it has a long filament emitting light.
An anglerfish, huh? I still think it looks like a monster to me.
Huh. Did you ever see a monster as beautiful as me? I'm an adventurer of the sea!
The chickens over here!
Huh?
Stay where you are, chickens.
Huh?
Oh no, it's those two weasels again. Let's hide in that canyon.
Right.
Come on, this way.
Weasels? What are weasels?
Stop right there.
Huh?
Glutton, where are the chickens?
They were over here just a minute ago, I promise. Now where could they have gone to?
Huh?
Huh?
Glutton, go ask that fish. He must know something.
Right. Come on, tell us what you know.
Or you'll be sorry, little fish.
Let me go. Let me go. I don't know.
I've got to stop this. I'm gonna teach those two nefarious polecats a lesson.
Wait, Free Range!
Huh?
We can do this without hand-to-hand fighting! We can outwit them!
Let me go, you two bad guys! Let me go!
Hey, you two! Let him go! I'll give you something interesting! Ha!
What's going on?
What happened?
I can't see.
You're going nowhere, chickens!
Yeah.
Wow, pearls! There are so many pearls, I'm gonna take one.
No, don't! It's dangerous!
Free Range, stop Uncle Waddles! It's too dangerous!
Okay, in a jiffy.
Wow, this is the biggest one!
That was close, man.
Oh, he tried to eat me! That would have hurt!
Come on, Master. Let's get out of here, man. Those pearls are dangerous.
Yeah, there's lots of danger in the sea, but stay close to me and I'll show you the Moonlight Valley.
Moonlight Valley? Like, where's that, dude? Is it fun?
Yeah, of course it's an interesting place. It's my home, and it's a beautiful place. You'll see.
We love interesting and beautiful places. Let's go.
Oh, Free Range, would you put me down first?
Hey, Slim. Where are you?
Hey, stop
what?
yelling, you fool! It's my fish spear!
Oh, that was you, huh? Oh, I'm scared.
Keep swimming!
Oh, there's light ahead. Means I can finally take a break.
Stop there, Glutton! We're here to look for chickens!
Okay.
Wow! What a fabulous sight!
Look out the pearl!
Oh, so many pearls!
Yeah! Look at me, Slim! I got pearls! Wow, look at them! Oh!
Oh, Glutton, hang on! I'm gonna help! There you go, Glutton! Now they're all gone!
I'm all better now, Slim.
Now let's go and get them chickens!
Hey, Slim, where do you think them chickens could have gone?
They can't go far! There's only one way out of this canyon! Huh?
Huh?
It must be that angelfish! The chickens must be around here! Let's
Right.
get them! Huh?
Where did light go?
I'm sure it was here! Let's get in there! They must be hiding in this hole!
But it looks so deep in there.
It's not that bad! Huh? Glutton, why'd you just touch me?
I didn't touch you. Huh? Hey, Slim, stop pulling my legs. Stop trying to poke me.
Hey, I didn't touch your butt! Huh? What's this? Huh?
Huh?
Shark!
What are we gonna do now, Slim?
Take it easy! We have weapons! Leave us alone! Finally gone! Now let's get them chickens!
Come on, guys, we're almost there. Let's go.
Coming.
Get me out of here!
Kinda looks like the old guy's stuck.
Master, let me give you a hand, man.
I'm coming!
Come on, dude.
Speed it up. Pull yourself together. We're almost there. Here we are, folks. This is my home, Moonlight Valley.
Wow! It's beautiful!
Wow, so many beautiful fishies! Wow!
Wait. 1, 2, 3. Man, there's too many. I can't even keep up, man.
I'm the only adventurer in the sea. They're my friends.
What should we do if the weasels come back?
Take it easy. You're safe here. We can drive them away if they dare come anywhere near us.
Whoa, look at all these fishes.
Glutton, get out of my way!
Oh,
Yeah. Eh? Chickens, go get them! You stay right there, chicken!
Weasels!
Huh, let's do this thing.
Come with me.
I won't go.
Let's
Get out of here!
over there.
Let's fight for our dinner!
Right.
It's got dark!
Huh?
Uh, Glutton, use your fish spear! Oh, they're not afraid of the spears!